In this video, I'd like to introduce PH485Y12 and tell you how you can use this product. This product is RS485 and RS422 repeater and insulator. This device provides two RS485 and RS422 lines from one line. As you know, the cable lengths for RS485 and RS422 ports, according to the standard, can be up to the 1200 meters. By adding this repeater, you can increase the cable lengths at least 2400 meters, means 1200 meters on each side of the repeater. Of course, in lower Baud-Rate, the cable length can be longer. Another use for this product is when you want to use a sensitive and expensive industrial device in an environment that you know it has noise and electric shocks. In which case, you can use this repeater as an insulator to remove noise and unwanted voltages. One of the important features of this product that categorized it in industrial class is the protection against electrical shocks and electromagnetic noises. It also has 3 kV optical and electrical insulation, which has a great effect on eliminating noises, like electromagnetic noise, which are coming from contacts changing in electromotors or ESD voltages, such as surge or lightning. This is the product packaging. I open it. The content is including a PH485Y12 that I take out of the plastic cover. In one side, it has an adapter jack, the power input of the device, which is connected to the power supply. Also note that this device can work with any DC voltage from 8 to 48 volts. So if you don't have access to 220 volt power to connect the adapter, you can use any available DC industrial power supply in your project, for example 24 volt DC. It also includes two RS485 and RS422 ports with 9-pin DB9 male connector. At the other side, it includes a RS485 and RS422 port with 9-pin DB9 female connector. It also has an Ethernet port that is used for device settings. It also includes a 12 volt adapter, two DIN rail brackets, which the device can be installed on the rail by the means of them. Furthermore, we have two DB9 female connectors and a CD, which includes the user guide and datasheet. The device setup is easy. The settings of the device are done through the network. Connect the Ethernet port on the converter to your network switch, and in the browser such as Google Chrome, enter the IP address as 192.168.1.100 in address field. Then you will enter to the device settings page. On this page, you can set Baud-Rate, data length, parity, stop bit, and flow control to your desired values. Then click Send to Device button and the settings will be made for your device. This device supports all RS485 network topologies such as point-to-point and multi-point. It also supports point-to-point and multi-drop in RS422 mode. As you know, the RS485 standard consists of a pair of differential signals. On this converter, RS422 is located to the pins 1 to 5 and RS485 on pins 6 to 9. To use the RS485 section, make the necessary connection according to the diagram. For example, D+ to D+ and D- to D-. When we send data from the master, the slave receives it. And when the slave sends data, the master receives it. This communication is half-duplex. To use RS422 section, make the necessary connection according to the diagram. For example, Rx plus to Tx plus. When the master sends data, the slave receives it. And when slave sends data, the master receives it. This communication is full-duplex. The point that I want to make at the end is that this converter has an end-of-line or termination resistor, which is 120 ohm resistor inside them, and you don't need to add these resistors. Finally, feel free to contact us via email support@IPElectronix.com or WhatsApp number and ask your technical questions. Thank you for watching this video.